VinFast just destroyed every Indian car company. And I'm about to blow your mind. Wait till you see this build quality. The VinFast VF6 build quality will blow your mind compared to Tata and Mahindra. Look at this panel gap precision. Vietnamese engineering is making German manufacturers nervous. The interior design is absolutely luxurious with advanced technology. These smart features are next level. But here's where it gets crazy. The safety ratings. This thing is tank-level safe compared to Indian alternatives. And when you look at the pricing structure against Indian competitors, Vietnamese engineering is seriously impressing everyone in the automotive industry. Even German manufacturers are getting nervous about this competition. Smash that like button if Vietnamese engineering impressed you. Comment below, which car company should I destroy next?